Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, a lot warmer today and a little bit more humid. There is the view from the Charlottesville camera, and just north of the city here, we do have a shower in progress. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's take a look at numbers at the airport currently. 85, made it up to 89 this afternoon. Southerly winds at 10. We have a dew point of 68. That's a lot higher than where we were just 24 hours ago when those numbers were in the 50s. But this was a one-day special. We're going to return to drier air. 83 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weeders Cave. And as we take a look at some other numbers, we've got 84 in Orange. There's showers close by. 80 there in Louisa. 82 in Palmyra. And we've got some lower 80s from Waynesboro, Harrisonburg to Stanton. Here we go over the last several hours, and we haven't seen a whole lot of activity. Had some showers work up through Nelson County, now into Albemarle. We'll zoom in a little closer. This is north of Rio and up north of the city. You can see out toward Hydraulic, Ravenna, Prophet, activities lifting off to the northeast along the Route 29 corridor. And then we go from western Louisa County up into Orange. You can see some showers here in progress, those lifting off to the northeast as well. So over the next several hours, we could still run the risk of a few showers or an isolated storm that could produce an isolated severe wind gust, but we'll watch this line here out across West Virginia later tonight because we're out ahead of the actual front, which is going to take its time moving through here. We're still going to deal with showers tomorrow morning, but again, early this evening, a marginal risk is kind of highlighted for the potential of an isolated severe storm. That threat is a little higher out toward Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, and points north. Temperatures here overnight will be in the 60s, generally mid to lower 60s with some showers. It'll take us into the morning hours here for Thursday. We've got a cooler day. Northeasterly winds will likely hold numbers in the mid to upper 70s. We should start to see some clearing as we move into Thursday afternoon. So sort of that transition day tomorrow, and then you're going to really like the temperatures here for Friday morning, Saturday morning. Friday daytime highs around 80. We're in the low 80s on Saturday. Those morning lows comfortably cool in the 50s. So the main action is with this front, but a lot of the stronger storms may fire and develop farther off to the northeast across the northeast corridor here tonight. This is the 13th named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. This is Mindy, and Mindy is headed inland here later tonight or early tomorrow morning, just under 100 miles from Apalachicola, Florida. You can see the rain bands already impacting the Florida peninsula here on the panhandle where there are tropical storm warnings up. So this moves inland, basically hugs the Georgia-Florida line, then moves back offshore. It'll kind of get entwined with the front that'll come through here tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, Larry will pass east of Bermuda late tonight and early tomorrow morning during the day. The big impact for the East Coast is the big swells that are being generated along the eastern seaboard. And that'll be the case here the rest of the weekend So here's Futurecast depiction tonight showing you some spotty activity. But then as we go past midnight, we start to see more showers fill in, and some of that will take us throughout the morning hours. And then throughout the course of the day, we should start to see the clouds give way to sunshine, and temperatures will be cooler by Friday morning as we fall into the 50s. Friday afternoon, we're talking about daytime highs around 80. So some showers or an isolated storm tonight, temperatures in the 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A cooler late week, some pleasant weather as some fine fall-like conditions make a return here as we go into Friday and the start of the upcoming weekend. But summer's heat looks to return early next week.
Not too soon. We have a nice little stretch here.
There you go.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.